You freeze when your boss asks you a question. You know English words, but nothing comes out. Today, you'll learn exactly what to say to your boss in any situation. Miss one phrase, and you might lose respect at work. Brian, do Americans really say, "How can I help you?" to their boss?
Actually, no, that sounds weird. You'd say, "What can I do for you?" Or just, "Sure, what do you need?"
Right. So if your boss stops by your desk, don't panic.
Yeah, just stay calm. They're just a person.
Exactly. Let's start simple. Your boss says, "Good morning." What do you say?
Morning, or good morning back.
That's it?
Yep, keep it short. You can add, "How's it going?" if you want.
Practice. Say, "Good morning."
Good morning.
Perfect. Say it again.
Good morning.
Okay, now your boss asks, "Do you have a minute?" What does that mean?
It means they want to talk to you now.
And you say,
Yeah, sure, or of course. Don't say, "I'm busy."
even if you are busy?
Well, you can say, "I'm finishing something. Can I come by in 10 minutes?"
That's smart. Practice. Say, "Can I come by in 10 minutes?"
Can I come by in 10 minutes?
Great. Say it again.
Can I come by in 10 minutes?
Now, what if you don't understand what your boss said?
Oh, that happens. Just say, "Sorry, could you repeat that?"
Is that polite enough?
Totally. Bosses know English isn't your first language. They won't care.
What if you need more time for a project?
You have to ask early. Don't wait until the deadline.
So what do you say?
Hey, I wanted to check in about the report. I might need another day. Is that okay?
That sounds natural. Why do you say "I might need" instead of "I need"?
It's softer. Sounds less demanding.
Got it. What about asking questions, like if you're confused about something?
Just ask. Say, "Quick question about the presentation," or "Can I clarify something?"
And your boss won't think you're dumb?
No way. Asking questions shows you care about doing it right.
What if your boss criticizes your work?
Don't argue. Just listen and say, "Okay, I'll fix that," or "Got it. Thanks for letting me know."
Even if you disagree?
Yeah, you can explain later if you need to, but don't get defensive right away.
That's hard.
I know, but it's professional.
What about giving updates, like when your boss asks, "How's the project going?"
Keep it simple. Say, "It's going well," or "I'm almost done," or "I hit a snag, but I'm working on it."
What's a snag?
A small problem. It's casual, but professional.
Can you say, "There's a problem"?
Sure, but snag sounds less scary.
Smart. Now, what if you need help from your boss?
Say, "I'm stuck on something. Do you have time to help?" Or, "Could you point me in the right direction?"
Not, "I need help"?
You can say that, but the other way sounds more independent.
What about the end of the day? Do you say goodbye to your boss?
Yeah, just "Have a good night," or "See you tomorrow."
That's it?
Yep, don't overthink it.
What if your boss emails you after work?
You don't have to reply right away, but if it's urgent, just say, "Got it, I'll take care of it tomorrow."
Okay, last thing. What if you make a mistake at work?
Own it fast. Say, "Hey, I made a mistake on the report. I'm fixing it now."
Don't make excuses?
Not at first. Fix it, then explain if you need to.
That takes confidence.
It does, but bosses respect honesty.
All right, let's recap. Keep answers short. Ask questions when you're confused. Own your mistakes. Stay calm.
And remember, your boss is just a person. They make mistakes too.
Perfect. So here's my question for you. What's the hardest part about talking to your boss? Let us know in the comments. And if this helped, subscribe for more real English lessons.
See you next time.
Bye.